I'm going to teach you how to set up a finance tracker for 2025 using Notion. We'll break this down step by step, making it easy to follow whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to open Notion. Head over to your web browser and go to https://www.notion.so. Once you're there, log into your account. After you've logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your pages are organized. You'll want to click on the plus new page option. When prompted to name your new page, let's call it Finance Tracker 2025. For the type of page, choose Empty Page. This gives us a blank slate to work from, which is perfect for the customization we're about to do. With our blank page ready, it's time to create your expense tracker table. Click into your new page and type a / oh my god, you'll see various options pop up. Type Table and choose Table Inline. This will insert a basic table into your page, and from here we're going to do a bit of customization. We need to rename our columns to fit the purpose of our tracker. So let's start with Date Set as the date property. It's always helpful to know when a transaction took place. Next, use Category as a select property with options like food, transport, bills, and shopping. The description column will be set as text. This is where details like lunch at Starbucks can go. Then, create an amount column as a number property and label this column as Amount P. This is where you'll note down how much was spent or earned. The type column will also be a select property with options for expense and income, allowing you to note whether money is coming in or going out. Add a payment method column with options like cash, GCash, and card. Lastly, include a notes column as text for any optional details about each transaction. Now, let's add some transactions. Click the plus new button below Actions. Click the plus new button below the table to start inputting your data. For today's demonstration, let's say the date is today's date. Under Category, choose Food. You could describe the entry as coffee and set the amount to 150. Remember to specify the type as an expense and the payment method as GCash. Repeat this process daily, as each row will represent a unique transaction. To finish off, let's make your tracker look aesthetically pleasing. At the top of the page, add a title. Finance Tracker 2025. Just under the title, you can include the phrase, "Track your income and expenses every day." It gives it a polished touch. Then type a / followed by divider to add a clean line separating the title from your table. This layout helps keep everything organized and visually appealing. And there you have it. You now have a functional and attractive finance tracker in Notion. By maintaining this regularly, you'll have a clear picture of your financial activities in 2025. Happy tracking!